tall longleaf pine on the hill, sweet corn and cotton in the farmer's field. I hold my head as high as I can get it. I'm a big blue sky when the sun is high. I'm fireworks on a stormy night, and I don't reckon I've met a stranger yet. Yes, I am the heart of Dixie, and if this is your first time to meet me, then welcome. I'm Alabama, Alabama. I'm a crimson cross flying in the wind, where we dare defend our rights, amen. Sweet home Alabama is all you need. I'm an old yellow hammer right in your face, just like the man they all called Hank. Born in Georgiana in 23. Yes, I am the heart of Dixie, and if this is your first time to meet me, I'm Alabama, Alabama. I'm right here for you, my friend. If you're driving through, then drop on in. Spend some time with southern folks who care. If you live here, then I love you. But if you're just passing through, then come on back now, you hear? To Alabama, Alabama. I don't believe I'm going anywhere. Since 1819 I've been here. But what you get is short of what you see. Yes, I am the heart of Dixie, and if this is your first time to meet me, then welcome, y'all. I'm Alabama, Alabama. I'm an old yellow hammer right in your face, from muscle shows to amazing grace. I'm Alabama. Y'all come on back now.